Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP Low Content channel. So today I want to show you how to make a t-shirt design in easy way. So in my channel will keep you will get t-shirt video regularly uh, with book cover or KDP niche. So recently I will start print on demand business. So if you start print on demand business, then you will watch my video regularly. So okay, thanks all. We'll start this t-shirt. Now first of all we write the quote happy 100th day of school. So this is my quote, and we'll start design. So this is a school related design, so we need education related elements. So where I can find out education related elements? So first of all we go to Prepic or Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, iStock, etc. You can find any type of elements from this site. Uh, so first of all we search school elements. School elements. Here are a lot of school elements. Here you can use as a free or premium. So there is a file, you can download that. So we open the file from desktop, and so we can open the vector elements, and we can put which elements I need to make a design. So first of all we can create a artboard for pot print on demand site design for 4500 and 5400. There is my artboard, and we can black artboard. You can use black or white as you wish. So we transfer the design. There is my artboard, and we also send my vector elements in this file, and we also log that. We change the font color white, So there is my font is a tragic marker. So when you design for kids, then you can use cute type font. That is very sellable, cute type font. So there is my design. So we can happy, happy 100 day of school. We can use margin, happy, you can use, there is elements, you can use these elements also. So we can use vectorize these elements create. So we can create these elements very easily. So reflect, so this you can figure the size and put that my design. You can use 100, 100, okay, 100. So 100, there is put my design. You can easily make. One hundred. So 100, you can use this, and we also transform, reflect, similar that, and you can also use small letter. also use line and whatever you want. So, and also you can use day off, you can ungroup this font, and also you can use exchange of O, you can use this easily. So day off, day off, day off school, day of school. So you can use these elements. You can use also these elements. Also use these elements. And you can also use another file like also use this pencil. So you can create outline and also ungroup this font, and we can use same color from eyedropper tool. you can use same color from eyedropper tool, and also so there is a t-shirt same to same. This is so you can use any other elements like apple instead of these elements. So there is a school t-shirt design for kids. So you can easily this type of t-shirt very easily. You can create this type of t-shirt design very easily for your business. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell icon when I can share more video, more niche. So thank you so much. Thank you all.